Hi, boys and girls. So we are going to practice doing our letter keyword sounds. So remember, Miss Bolton will say the letter, the keyword, and then the sound, and I want you to repeat after her. After we go through our letter keyword sounds, we're going to go through our diagraphs. Here we go. J, jug, j. N, nut, n. D, dog, d. S, snake, s. M, man, m. P, pan, p. O, octopus, ah. O also has a long sound of O. Good. E, ed, eh. E also has a long sound of E. K, kite, k. F, fun, f. X, fox, x. Z, zebra, z. A, apple, ah. A also has a long sound of A. Good job. I, itch, I. I also has a long sound of I. C, cat, k. H, hat, h. R, rat, er. G, game, g. B, bat, b. W, wind, w. L, lamp, l. Y, yellow, y. T, top, t. V, van, v. Q, queen, qu. U, up, U also has a long sound of U. Awesome, boys and girls. And now for our digraphs. CH, chin, ch. TH, thumb, SH, ship, sh. WH, whistle, w. CK, sock, k. Awesome work, boys and girls.